Ankita Tarapure. So I just came across this hospital called Galaxy Dental Care. So recently I visited over here, and I just came for a normal routine checkup for my teeth, and just wanted to check if everything is working fine over there. So when I came over here, the amenities first off, I felt the ambience and everything was superb. The cleaning, if you talk about the cleanliness and everything, it was up to the mark. Apart from that, if you ask about the facilities and the services that these guys are providing at the hospital, absolutely loving it.
I had a great experience at this clinic. The doctor was really friendly. She advised me on the best solutions and made sure that I didn't have a very painful experience. I feel confident that my teeth are fine and I would definitely return here. The clinic is clean, sanitary, the staff are very helpful.
I really liked my experience from the moment I entered the clinic till the moment I left. So I was surrounded always by really friendly and supportive people. The doctors are super reliable. I liked the service, and I think my teeth are not going to be so bad in the future.
Recently, I visited the Galaxy Dental Care. Here, Dr. Krishna Priya and Dr. Archana took really good care of me. They were very patient and they explained me every procedure. For example, previously I was going for the braces treatment, but they told me about this veneer treatment, and they thoroughly explained me each and every process about the veneers, and took care of it and gave proper attention to me. And even while I was feeling some sensitivity while the procedure also, they took really good care of me, and they were very polite with me, as well as gave full attention to me while all this procedure. And even after this, they always insisted me, if I get any problem or anything, I can call them anytime. So it was very nice experience here.
The best part what I felt about here is when I came over here at the reception, he was very polite while talking. The types of operations these guys follow while providing the dental care, so I absolutely loved it. The process that they follow while consulting to the doctors, even I felt the doctors were way too polite. They were way too generous while talking to their patients basically. Apart from this, the most important part, the services and then the pricing. So for me it was just the normal teeth cleaning, but there was this other friend of mine who was along with me, and for them it was some treatment was going to happen, but still the pricing and everything was superb, within our budget basically. So if you guys ever come here, it's pocket friendly. Do visit this clinic. It would be a great experience for you. Thank you.
First visit chala baagundi. First entrance itself, it shows that like we're entering into the temple, and inside also complete calmness and neatness. I felt very happy.
Galaxy Dental Care Hospital నాకు చాలా బాగా ఓర్పుగా నా పళ్ళు 8 పళ్ళు శుభ్రంగా ఇది చేసి నాకు కొత్తగా బిగించారు. డాక్టర్ సుధాకర్ గారికి, నమ్రత గారికి, అందరికీ నేను ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నా. చాలా బాగా జరిగింది.
గెలాక్సీ డెంటల్ కేర్ ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్ గానీ, పనిచేసే డాక్టర్స్ గానీ, వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా చాలా అఫెక్షనేట్ గా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుని నాకు చెకప్ చేసి ఉన్నట్టుగా పళ్ళ సిచ్యువేషన్ గురించి మాట్లాడి వెంటనే ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేసి నాకు మంచి గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. నేను చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అయ్యాను.
నీట్గా ఉంది, 100% సూపర్. ఓకే సార్, ఏం లేదు, అంతా నీట్ గా చేసాడు సార్, మంచిగా ఉంది.
గెలాక్సీ డెంటల్ కేర్ అట్ కొండాపూర్. సో డాక్టర్ సుధాకర్ గారిని సంప్రదించాను. అలాంటి పెయిన్ ఇష్యూస్ రాకుండా జాగ్రత్త పడి వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేసి నేను చూశాను. నా బ్యాక్ టీత్ అసలు చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది, దాన్ని తీయడం అతి కష్టము. అయినా కూడా ఎంత ఈజీగా తీసేశారు డాక్టర్ సుధాకర్ గారు అంటే నేను చెప్పలేను. అది
ఫస్ట్ పాన్ తినడం వల్ల ఎర్రగున్నాయి పళ్ళు. సో ఇప్పుడు బెటర్ 100 to 100%. మైండ్ ఫ్రీగా, రిలాక్స్ గా, ఓకేగా, చాలా నీట్ గా చేసేసాను.
ఎన్నో డెంటల్ క్లినిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న అట్మాస్ఫియర్, లేటెస్ట్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్, స్పెషల్లీ డాక్టర్ సుధాకర్ గారి కౌన్సిలింగ్ అనేది విపరీతంగా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ఉంది.
చాలా మోడర్న్ గా, అల్ట్రా మోడర్న్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్. నాకు హాస్పిటల్కి వచ్చినట్టు కాకుండా ఓ 5 స్టార్ హోటల్కి వచ్చానా అన్న ఫీలింగ్ కలిగింది.
Why is regular dental checkup important? What is this? Is this a myth or a marketing strategy of the dentist? Or is it really required for you? Quite often we come across many dentists advising you to have a regular dental checkup. According to ADA, that is American Dental Association, it's better for everyone to get a dental checkup done once a year at least. And the rule of thumb is that if you're prone to more dental problems or if you have dental issues, it's better for you to get a dental checkup every 6 months. According to me, the most neglected part of the body is the mouth. Ask me why? Because right from the moment of birth, we start using our mouth, right? But the amount of time we spend to take care of it is hardly 2 minutes per day. And also the positioning of the teeth to help us in talking, in chewing and all that is such that there are some natural spaces between them. They are present in almost each and every person. So, and the normal toothbrushes which we use often fail to reach that nooks and creases. And also in a recent survey conducted by us asking random people, we were shocked to see and know that less than 20% of them follow strictly the habit of brushing 2 times a day, and less than 10% of them use mouthwashes or flossing and all that. Considering all these factors, dentists often advise you to go for a periodic dental checkup. And the point of debate here is, why are dentists or dental checkups or dental treatments so costly? It just follows a simple logic. If a simple problem of your teeth or gums can be identified at a regular dental checkup, it will require a very simple treatment. But if the same problem progresses into a much severe and complex one or irreversible one, obviously the treatment required to correct that problem would be more advanced, more complex, and definitely more costlier. And also these days many people have become aware of health, fitness, and they are spending time to achieve those. I think it is high time we should prioritize even dental health or oral health also as a mandatory to maintain good health in general. And also a simple logic which I would suggest you all is, good health is often achieved with a healthy lifestyle as well as a healthy diet, right? Now healthy diet is only possible if you have healthy teeth and gums. So I hope you all realize the importance of periodic dental checkups and will plan your regular dental checkups soon. Thank you.